Hey friends, if you wish to remove protected view notification in all received and downloaded Word or Excel documents, then please watch this video. Now I'll show it for Word. The process is absolutely the same for Excel. So click on File, select Options, go to Trust Center on the list on the left hand side, click on Trust Center Settings, and then you will have this option to disable all macros without notification. You can check this one. Okay, so this will block all the necessary all the said notifications, and it will solve your problem. Just click on OK and then on OK once again. Actually, I never want notifications, that's why I keep them disabled. But if you want them, then don't disable them directly, wait for it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.